Thank you for visiting our website. Clock Parts has been in business over 40 years. I am Mike Brossman. I work directly with many of our customers on their tech questions and welcome the opportunity to work with you as well. I have nearly 4 decades of experience assisting clockmaking factories designing and improving clock parts. It is this experience that lets me and my staff deliver unparalleled technical expertise to our customers. If you're a new customer, we want to express to you why we have so many long-term customers and appreciate your consideration of clock parts. Our customer relationships go beyond just the sale of high-quality clock motors, clock hands, clock inserts, etc. The 3 items we deliver to our customers are great pricing, superior technical support, and responsive customer service. We believe that this is the trifecta of building long-term customer relationships. We deliver our technical support on the telephone, via email, our blogs, and our videos. Throughout our site, you will see videos that not only help in selecting the right clock motor or clock hands, but also provide creative ideas for clockmaking. It may involve insert clock replacement, clock mechanism replacement, or hobbyists looking for advice and parts for do-it-yourself, DIY clock projects. You name it, and we have a solution for you. As a customer of ours, we keep you abreast of clock innovations and little-known secrets about clock tools that will make your clock project even more successful. Our clock knowledge can get your old clock working again or keep you supplied with fresh ideas for a lifetime of new clock projects. The technical support team is located in the United States, ensuring proper communication and attention to your specific needs. Our customer service department is also a result of our 40 years of experience. In today's world, many companies lose sight of the importance of award-winning customer service. We have eyes on our customer service. At Clock Parts, we have always added that personal touch to your purchase to make sure you can speak with or email someone directly. Our tech support and customer service is framed in very competitive pricing. Our prices offer you some excellent savings no matter if you're buying 1 or 2 items or looking for wholesale clock parts. We are constantly improving and updating our website to make it easy for you to click to cart or to make ordering quick and easy. Please enjoy our website and understand that we value you as a customer.